Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my compost pile right here. Show you what I've got done so far, or what I'm gonna start doing right now. And as of right now, chickens have been fed and watered already. Tarp's down. I'm thinking of taking it off because it's starting to warm up right now. But we do have a cold front. Some crazy weather. Cold snap coming in tonight, but I think they'll be fine for now. But other than that, so I'm gonna work on this right now. My little makeshift compost pile that I've done here. Sorry, this is just this just leans up here just to keep the dog out and stuff like that. So I threw the eggs in there like I told you, and my kids decided to throw dog poop in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all the top of that out of there. I might just get all of it out and start over again. See what we can do. Hopefully I can't save it or recover it. This is just going to be for growing food anyway, so I'm hoping it's going to be alright. The food proof's just on top, so I'll get them, mainly I'll just get the top layer off and we'll get that started. And hopefully I can save it. We'll do testing and stuff like that, and I'll show you later another video where I'm taking like our straight dirt. Just we'll take some of this dirt here, some of the compost here, put it in one container, and then we'll do some like of our, we'll get some dirt somewhere. I think I got some dirt back there behind the water too. Or just our native dirt, the ground that we already have here. So I live in Oklahoma right now, so we'll just that, and I also have another bag of like soil and stuff that I have gotten from I forget what it was. I think it was Home Depot, I believe. We'll try it, and we'll do a mixture of all kinds of different things. I'm going to do a mixture of, like, one will be, well, if I could do 4, I believe. Well, I don't want to do several. I'm not sure exactly how many yet, but I'll let you guys know. One of each. One of compost, one of the compost here by itself, once I get it ready. One of just our dirt, and one of just the soil that I bought from the store. And then I'll do combinations. I'll do combinations of my compost with our native dirt, and then my compost with the soil, and then but different combinations. So I'll let you guys know on that. That's kind of an idea I've got coming up next year pretty soon. But right now I'm gonna go and try to set you guys up, and I'm gonna see what we can do. Alright guys, here we go. See what I can do. Solid already. Oh, man. So it's coming out. Like I said, guys, I haven't really stirred this. I know I didn't start it out right, but so I'm almost sure it's not done correctly yet. But like I said, we learn as we do. And what we do is just hope it comes out good. If it doesn't, we know we gotta try something else, right? This is why I want to show everybody that we can all do it by just trying, and just, if you don't know it, figure it out. Trash from the wind. We do get a lot of wind over here, guys. It's pretty a normal thing here. You don't know. Trying to mix up a lot of that grass for compost form. Alright, let's see if this is the trash. A lot of this, pretty much, well, stuff is all much pulled off. A lot of this on top, or all of it, is just when we were raising chickens, we kept trash bags of their waste and the bedding, so we try to use that as compost. It's just poop and the carbon and stuff for the bedding, as far as just like shavings and stuff, so should be all right. Put some trash bag real quick. Oh, again, guys, sorry for the wind. It's really windy right now. Like I said, we got that weird storm coming in tomorrow, or tonight actually. So, apologies for that. What's wrong, girl? What's wrong, girl? Hey guys, my dog, her name's Emma. She's been alerting us of people outside. She's very alert about trying to protect us, and she looks at some things that she doesn't know. Things are different for her. So, when we're talking to her, that's who I'm talking to. My dog Emma. Hi, girl. Emma, you okay? Sorry guys, trying a new video thing. Trying to see, might be a longer video. I apologize, bear with me. Trying something, trying out new, and see how it comes out. And how things work out with everybody online. I think that's good for now. So let's try to mix it up now. I'll dig it up, try to loosen it up, and I'll dig it up, flip it over for you guys. Hey, what? Good girl. Breaking down. I know I didn't do it right, but we'll see. All right, I think that looks better. Again, guys, I might not be right, but see how it comes out. I'm going to get the old stuff off for a little while now that I've done it. Now keep checking on it every once in a while. Little updates. And then I guess think how, sorry, let you guys know how things are going. Alright, that's good for right now. Alright guys, well, we'll see how things turn out on this. Take all their stuff off. Here, send my trash bags, throw that away because I can't use it, at least for our consumption, at least because That's what I've been hearing, that dog waste, dog poop is not good to be feeding to the plants for human consumption. So if you guys heard otherwise, let me know, and I'll definitely look into it more. I have heard that chicken poop does does work really well, but I take a long time to compost down because it's supposed to be, I guess it's supposed to, if you don't do right, it's too acidic or something like that, or it'll actually burn. It'll burn your food, it'll burn your plants. It won't even survive. So that's it, guys. I appreciate it. I know this is kind of a lengthy video. I know it might be kind of boring, but you know what? I'm trying something new, and we'll see how things work out. Next video we'll be putting out will be, I'm going to do this over here. As I mentioned last video, I'm going to start right here. I haven't figured it out quite yet how big I'm going to do it, but I'm going to start doing some rows, start doing the dirt prepped. I think what I'm going to try to do, I might just experiment out here too, just to see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to make rows this way or this way, I'm not quite sure yet. Start the rows, do this ground dug up, just get it started, see how things turn out. I might start like a section, I don't know if it's right here. I might just plant some seeds straight in the ground the way they are right here, and then a couple there, and then maybe the next row I'll put in. I might even try to use this because that's been out here for a while, and it looks like dirt, like I seen, like part of this compost already. The same thing, it's just chicken and bedding. I might just throw some of that on there and see, mix it in, see what happens. Trial and error, guys. I think everything we're doing right now here at our house, we're here at home at a house. We are still looking to get some land. Trial and error, see what works here and what doesn't work, so we can fail at home, so we don't fail when we depend on it full time. So anyways, that's what's coming up in the next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.